7:30 in the morning. About to head out Joshua Tree National Park, get some hiking done on the California hiking and riding trail. Try to get there by sunup.
1, 2, 3, 4.
About 12 miles in for the day. It's 11:30. Weather's been perfect. This is the right time of year to come. This part of the trail's got Joshua trees everywhere. The name of the park definitely doesn't lie. Check out the view. What's up, little bunny? Dude just jumped out of the bush. Scared me. I think he was taking a nap. Yeah, you're chilling, huh, man? Alright. Peace. There's a coyote over there. Somewhere. There he is. Right there. Right next to the campground. Sketchy. So I just saw that coyote wandering around right next to the campground, and now the trail goes right where he went. So guess I'm following him. Lucky with the campsite tonight. Last like 3 miles there was no rocks, no windbreak, nothing. It's supposed to be pretty windy tonight, so weren't any really good spots. And then right when I hit where I wanted to be, out popped the rocks again. So got pretty lucky. Should be a pretty nice spot. About 7:30 this morning. It was a beautiful night last night. Hardly any wind, which I thought there might be some. Didn't get that cold. Whole bunch of coyotes howling at each other right when the sun went down. I got up in the middle of the night to pee, I got legit startled by the stars because I got in my tent right when it got dark. Crazy bright, even brighter than when I was in Death Valley last year. It's pretty awesome. Saw some of the Milky Way, saw a shooting star. It's probably the best thing about the desert, getting to see the stars. 10 miles in on day 2, and my legs are smoked. Slow going here. Should still be able to make it before sundown. But man, it's tough. It's a lot of miles. So somebody managed to poke a hole in my second wire cache. Found it laying on its side. At least it's not empty. What's up, Bunny? This is the same guy as yesterday, I think. I think he came out of the same bush. He must have his little den under there. I just finished the last climb of the day. And man, climbing's way tougher coming back west than it was going out. But got less than 6 miles left and it's all downhill. So should be getting back to the trailhead just a little bit after sunset. Made it back to the trailhead. My legs are done. It was tough. But now I think it's time to go find some beer. Yep.